Did you know that millions of Americans are making over $5,000 per month with side hustles? From gig work to faceless YouTube channels, these opportunities are changing how people earn in 2025. In this video, I'll show you the top 10 side hustles you can start today and how to scale them into real income. These aren't get-rich-quick schemes. They're proven side hustles real people are using every day. The best part? Most of them can be started with little to no upfront cost. Let's get into it. 10. Gig economy jobs like Uber, Lyft, DoorDash, Instacart. Quick way to earn cash with flexible hours. Scaling tip: maximize earnings by stacking apps and working during peak demand hours. 9. Freelancing on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, TopTal. Skills like writing, graphic design, and video editing are in demand. Scaling tip: create packages, raise rates as reviews come in, and outsource overflow to subcontractors. 8. Faceless YouTube channels. Content niches: finance, motivation, AI, top 10 lists. Scaling tip: use AI for scripts, voiceovers, repurpose videos into shorts, and batch content to upload consistently. 7. Print on demand on Etsy, Redbubble, Teespring. Sell shirts, mugs, and posters without holding inventory. Scaling tip: use AI design tools. Build multiple niche stores. 6. Online tutoring and coaching. Teach English, coding, or niche skills. Scaling tip: record lessons. Sell as a course. Build membership sites. 5. Reselling and flipping on eBay, Amazon, Facebook Marketplace. Buy cheap items locally or wholesale, resell online. Scaling tip: automate listings, scale into private label Amazon FBA. 4. Affiliate marketing and blogging. Earn by promoting products and services via links. Scaling tip: build a blog or YouTube channel. Drive traffic with SEO and collect emails for long-term passive income. 3. Stock photography and AI-generated art. Sell on Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or as digital packs. Scaling tip: batch upload, target trending niches, and automate using AI design tools. 2. E-commerce dropshipping. Partner with suppliers to sell products without inventory. Scaling tip: focus on trending niches, use TikTok, Instagram ads, scale winning products into private label. 1. AI automation services using ChatGPT, Midjourney, Opus Clip. Offer content writing, ad creation, and video repurposing to businesses. Scaling tip: build an agency model, manage multiple clients with automated tools, charge retainers. These 10 side hustles are helping Americans earn thousands each month. Start with one, master it, and then scale. That's the real key to hitting $5,000 or more. Which side hustle would you try first? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more ways to grow your income.